Hi, I'm Trisha Fuglestad. I'm a K-5 art teacher in a suburb of Chicago, Illinois. And what I wanted to do with this course is give you a chance to learn all of my best practices as I teach an art lesson to my littlest students. So this Apple Still Life project was designed for first graders who are still having trouble seeing things and figuring out how to draw what they see. So I've embedded my best practices. I have techniques in there that help concrete learners learn foreground, middle ground, background, and overlapping. I also have techniques embedded into this course that help students who are new at painting learn how to manage their bodies and the paint in a way that allows them to have good craftsmanship or artistry as they work. So I'm super excited to share this with you, and it also has my Fugleflicks throughout this course, which are student created art related movies that help students understand art concepts in short, engaging little videos. So at the end, I have an opportunity for you to take this whole lesson and turn it around and teach it to your students as a PowerPoint. So I hope you understand this course and it gives you confidence to teach art to your students, whether you have art experience or not. Please feel free to engage with me, answer discussion questions, and let me know how it's going. When you're all done, I'm going to share where you can post your students' artwork, and you can look at my students too. Have fun.